What's your name?
My name is Mary.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
What's your address?
My address is 286 Station Road.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 20-123-4456.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What's your name? How old are you? What's your address? What's your phone number? Where are you from? What's? What is? I am.
My name is Anne. My address is 132 Oxford Street. My phone number is 20-323-24856. I'm from Stratford.
My name is Derek. My address is 356 Brick Lane. My phone number is 20-229-8778. I'm from Wembley.
What's your name?
My name is John.
How do you spell that?
John.
What's your address?
My address is 687 Carnaby Street.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 20-320-310.
Where are you from?
I'm from Richmond.
Meeting people.
Hello. My name is Mary.
Hi. I'm Hans. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.